Hello students, today we are going to discuss the practical number 4 to calculate the area and perimeter of a rectangle. Okay, so as you know that we have already covered the 3 practicals for class 11 IP. If you didn't watch those practicals, please go and watch these so that you can feel comfortable in this video. Okay, if you didn't watch, then I will recommend that you should watch. Otherwise, we will discuss the logic first, and then we will discuss the program code, and then at the last we will discuss the execution in editor in this video. Okay, so let's get started. So first we will discuss the program logic as usual. So what is rectangle? I hope you have heard it in your secondary class. What is rectangle? Rectangle is like this. We have some length. Let's suppose we have this shape is look like more like a square, so I am converting this like this. So this is an example of rectangle. We have some length and this is length, and we have some breadth like this. This is breadth. So this is rectangle actually. Okay, so how we calculate the area of rectangle? You should know this formula. Area of rectangle is calculated using this formula: length into breadth, like this. So what is the area? Area is this. This is the area actually of rectangle. If you see mathematically, this is known as the area of any rectangle, that is shaded. Or what is the perimeter? Perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle means this length, this distance plus this distance plus this distance. If we add all those distances, we get the perimeter. So mathematically we have the formula already: length plus breadth, like this. Okay, so how we calculate the perimeter? Perimeter means we will add all these three. If you want to build a boundary wall, if you want to build a boundary wall, build boundary wall over the rectangle, then we use the concept perimeter. What we do, we will add all those. So length is added, I am showing, plus breadth is added, plus then this length will be added, then this breadth will be added. So this is how this formula is developed actually. If you add those, then you will get 2 length plus 2 breadth, and if we get the common 2, then we get length plus breadth. This is how this formula is developed. I have explained this formula to you, how the perimeter actually, what the meaning of perimeter and how this formula is there. We already know the concept of area. Area means the area covered by this boundary wall. This will be length into breadth. Now we will see step by step program implementation steps. So first we will, what we do, steps to write program. First we will take breadth and length of a rectangle from user. First we will take this from the user. Second step, what we will do, we will apply the formula for calculating calculating the area and perimeter of rectangle, like this. So what is the formula for calculating the perimeter and area? Area can be calculated in equal to length, as we have discussed in last slide, breadth. And how can we calculate the perimeter? Perimeter can be calculated with 2 into length plus breadth. This is how you can calculate the area. Now we will, in third step, we will print the area and perimeter. So these are the simple steps to calculate the area and perimeter of the rectangle. We will write down the Python code in the next slide. Okay, if you didn't got this, you just go back to the video and watch it again. It is very easy to understand this if you know what is rectangle and how can we calculate area and perimeter. Okay, so let me move ahead. Now we will see the Python code. Python code will be very simple. We will take the input we will take into two variables like breadth equals to, breadth can be in floating point number, so I am taking it as a float. Then I am taking input method, enter the breadth of rectangle. This is how message will be displayed on the screen. Then we will take the length as input from the user. Length can also be in floating point number, so input we will calculate, enter the length of rectangle. This is how. Now we will apply the formula for calculating the area. Area equals to length into breadth. Then we will apply the formula for calculating the perimeter. Perimeter equals to 2 into length plus breadth. Like this you will do, and then in the last step you will print the area of rectangle is. You will print area, and then you will print the another thing, the perimeter of rectangle is. Then we will see perimeter. So this is how the program can be written, very easy. Now we will test it for with the input. Let's suppose I have given the input 2 into breadth and 2 into length. Let's suppose I have given the input 2 into breadth, 2 into length. Then what will be the area? Area will be 2 into 2, that is 4. And what will be perimeter? Perimeter would be 2 into 2 plus 2, that is 2 into 4, that is 8. Okay, so it will print like 4 and 8 as a output. Okay, we will see this into the Python editor. Let me move ahead. Okay, here we have the Python editor. Now we will see. I am writing this program. So let me write. First what we will do, we will take the input breadth and length. So for that I am creating a breadth variable equals to, I am taking it as a float. You can take it integer also, but length and breadth can be floating point number also. Input, enter the breadth of rectangle. This is how. Short length equals to float, then we will give input method to take the input, enter the length of rectangle like this. Now we will spelling mistake. Now what we will do, apply the formula for area, length into breadth. Then we will apply the formula for perimeter. It is 2 into length plus breadth. Then simply we will print area of rectangle is, we will print the area, then we will print the perimeter is, we will complete the perimeter. This is how. Now we will, to run this program, what we will do, we will just simply click on this run button. So I am running it. Okay, I am clicking just on run button. Here it will. Let's suppose I am giving the breadth as 10 meter, enter the rectangle length as, let's suppose, 10 meter. Then how you will, if you can guess what will be the output, the output will be area. Area will be what? If you can guess, 10 into 10, that would be 100. And what would be the perimeter? Perimeter would be 2 into 10 plus 10, that would be 2 into 20, that would be 40. So this should be the output. Let's see. If we just give the enter, here it is 140.0. Okay, so this is how you can execute this program and see how the results are coming. So this is a ready-made program for calculating the area and perimeter of a rectangle. Okay, so you just do some practice in your computer or mobile phone. Thank you. See you in next class.